Want Amazon products making $10,000 a month or more? Here's how I find profitable products fast with Helium 10. So within an hour, not only did I find one product, but 13 different products that are making more than $10,000 a month. And there's extremely niche, which is important. You don't want to sell like a multivitamin. You want to sell something that's extremely specific, like a tagging gun. What the hell is this? It's a micro stitch gun, but it's making $19,000 a month. These are the types of items that you want to sell, right? And then it doesn't even have that good reviews. 400 bought, terrible reviews. This is an opportunity. A beach canopy, $21,000 a month. This is a dry food dispenser for cats, right? Or a wet food dispenser for cats, 10,000 bucks a month, right? So you got some different ideas, whether you like cats, whether you like sewing, whether you like something else. But let's log into Helium 10. There is a free trial in the description if you want to try it out and a discount. But this is their tool, and it's one of my favorites. I've tried Jungle Scout, AMZ Scout, Smart Scout. They're all different. They're all good. This one, in my opinion, is the easiest to use for product research. Now, if we go here, we can just select a category. So like, what do you want to sell, right? What do you like? Start with something cool. This is fun. This is the fun part for me, is finding a product to sell. Let's do tools, right? And home improvement. It needs some improvement. You just like click it in. It's super like ad lib. There's medium competition. I want to sell my product for 30 for 100 bucks, and it needs to be making $10,000 a month or more on Amazon. And we just click search. Keep it simple. You can change it up and do like a super advanced method, but the best thing to do is to have a simple method so you can find different items to sell. So I'm just going to click on some random items that it's showing me right here. And then maybe you can find something that's like very specific that you could potentially sell and make yourself. And right now we found concrete. We've got battery chargers. Okay, so I'm going to go, because I'm trying to do this a little fast. I'm going to click edit filters. And if I'm like, I don't want to do tools and home improvement, I could change it to automotive and apply the filter. And then I can try, we're gonna look at these in a second, but now we're just gonna switch categories really quick and then find some different items and just click on this button and it's gonna open them in Amazon. So again, super quick way. This is my fast-paced way to just find different ideas, get your creativity going, and find potential products to launch, right? I don't even know what this is. This is made in China. Key fob. We've got this, we've got pants. Okay, and I'm gonna do one more category and then we're gonna look at the results. So we've got automotive, and then we're gonna do pet supplies. So everybody loves pets, right? What are the pet supplies that needs a cooling dog bed? I'm not even gonna click on that because I know the dog bed market's expensive. This is so specific. We're gonna look at some horses. Here we go. Oh, this is cool. Agility seesaw. Okay, let's go through these. Okay, we've already found some cool products, right? Solar fence lights. Now, if you go through a nice suburban neighborhood, a lot of them have solar lights, and it just is what it is. This one sticks to the fence, and it makes this cool light up thing. I guess it just makes you cool, right? They're selling them for a really high price, and it's making $32,000 a month. So again, another item, and you can kind of look through this if you're interested in this product. Very niche concrete stain. So again, if you wanted to get into this, again, only one seller, 3.8 stars. They're not even using FBA, right? Making 10,000 bucks a month. So another niche that you could get into pretty quickly and dominate. You just have to be, if you were just FBA, you'd do better than them. Okay, Nightlight headlight assembly. So this is to assemble headlights. So it's, so it's like a headlight. So you put it in this and it's like brighter and stuff. This one's a little bit more complicated for me, but if you're a car guy or girl, another opportunity. Valve injector. So it's your item cannot be shipped. Okay, this one is FBA. And it's compatible. So this is like parts. It's making $12,000 a month. They're selling this tiny thing for $46.99. I think it's just insane. How big is it? Where is it? I want to see how big it is. The size of your hand. And they're selling defective products, and people are still buying it. So again, something as small as a size of your hand. These are the products you want to sell because you can make so much money. Now I love the pet supplies because it makes so much money, and people just rip you off for it. So like this person's selling this for $60. It's literally, it looks like it's just an inflatable ball. It is. This is so funny. And they're selling it for $60 and they're making 20 grand a month. And this is 3.4 stars. You think you can make something better? Probably. It's for horses too. So again, not for all types of dogs. Poor quality construction. It's just crazy how much money they're selling this for. So again, finding products so quickly. Another pet item. $72.99, $14,000. They're still making sales. And again, they're not using FBA. So another item that you could come in and pretty much potentially dominate. This is cute. I do like this, right? Let's look at the reviews. Small teeter training. It works, but you'll need that the ground is level and you need to screw it. Okay, yeah. So pretty cool. Okay, he had to make one. I don't even know what happened here. But it's pretty cool. Honestly, it's pretty cool. It's a cool item. And there's probably like no competition, especially with this ball. So this is why we're kind of going through these. You can find products so darn quickly. Like this little wrap. A paw bandage. I mean, you don't find these at the store. Paw bandage. I think it's making $40,000 a month. Let's wait. They're selling this for a 12 pack for $41. Man, Johnson & Johnson should be getting in on this. $46,000 a month. It's just crazy. So I just wanted to show you the power of how quickly and how easily it is to find profitable products to sell on Amazon right now. If you don't think you can, right? A lot of these with these profit margins, you can just look on Alibaba, really just ask people who find this, right? You can go to Alibaba, save this image. Do you guys sell this? And you'll find somebody, because I just know for a fact that you can make so much money. Does it come it doesn't come inflated. Look, they have it comes like this. And they're selling it for so much. It's just crazy. All right, so these are the opportunities that you can find using Blackbox. Find a niche. You can even go even more specific into it. So if we wanted to do filters, we could filter into different categories, review count. I didn't even go through all the filters. There's so much more you could do. But the ease of it to find a product and how they have a free trial for you to try this out, it's really hard to beat. But of course, that's it for today's video. If you need help finding a profitable product, it's not just finding it, but it's also triple checking the competition, doing an analysis, making sure they don't have a patent. And then you need to get a good manufacturer, designs, a whole team to help you properly launch it. Once it's launched and ready to go, you could be making a lot of money, potentially for years on end with the right product. If you want me to dive deeper into Helium 10 features, ask away and let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, we'll find products for you, we'll create a strategy, we'll do the designs, the SEO, the advertising, the customer service, and even more to make sure your sales are always increasing and never decreasing. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on creating products, creating a brand and working on your business instead of in your business, like looking over all the data. We're going to get everything for you. We've got a team that specializes in it all to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.